Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I'm showing you guys how I achieved this cranberry makeup look with a touch of my favorite pink glitter. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And also we have monthly giveaways here on our channel, so if you want to be entered for that, just go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. And our giveaway is unfortunately US only for now, but we plan on changing that in the future definitely. So the first thing that I'm doing is priming my eyelids with my Too Faced multi-use sculpting concealer, and I did set that with some translucent powder. And then for today's eyeshadow palette, I am using my Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette, and I went in with the color Sickening, and I'm just popping that into my crease as my transition color. And we're keeping this look super round, so just hugging the natural curvature of your crease. And then I grabbed the Cranberry shade and this angled brush by Morphe, and I'm just starting to add a line of definition of where our crease is, and then going in with a small tapered brush, just going in left and right motions very softly over top of that line just to diffuse it. And I definitely felt like I wanted some more depth, so I went back into that angled brush and went ahead and redrew the line. And that's a really good tip for you guys if you like a really defined but blended look. You can redo those steps and just kind of build that depth up to your desire. And yeah, I'm pretty much just redrawing that line, not really bringing it all the way in. And then going back into that small tapered brush and just doing the same exact step. And I also went in with my bigger, fluffier brush and my transition color once again, just to diffuse that outer corner, that outer edge. And then I'm grabbing this really small angled brush and some of my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. And I feel like using a concealer that is a little bit on the drier side is really good for carving the crease. That way it doesn't really budge or move around as much. And then I'm going into this Colourpop Jelly Much shadow. I'll leave the name of this product in the description box. And I'm just applying that to the inner half of my lid as well, just kind of laying it down as our base. And then I'm going to start to kind of add some definition to that outer corner. So with my pencil brush, I just tapped that Cranberry shade, and then with our small tapered brush, just kind of feathering that inward to give us a nice blended look. And then I'm going in with my ABH loose glitter in the shade Blazing Sunset. This is one of my favorite loose glitters, and I of course used glitter glue underneath it. I used my Too Faced Glitter Insurance, which is one of my favorite glitter glues. I tend to like glitter glues that are a little bit more on the creamy side, not really the liquid ones. And then for lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bahama lashes. For my waterline, I'm applying this brown bronzy liner by The Balm called Seymour Love Letters. And then I'm going in with the same shades that we popped in our crease. So first that Sickening shade and just kind of building depth there, and then using the darker Cranberry shade and then merging the two together. And then I'm going into my Too Faced Damn Girl mascara on my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner, I'm popping my Pixie Beauty Subtle Sunrise highlight. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you so much, guys. We're so close to hitting 100K. We are so grateful. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!